Hey guys, so for math today, I want you to close your eyes and imagine that you are at the grocery store with your family or with a friend, and you get up to the register and the person checking you out says that will be 35 cents for your candy bar. And you want that candy bar really bad, but you don't know how to count out 35 cents. You don't know what coins you need, you don't know how much each coin is worth, or how to put them together and pay for something. Well, today I'm going to be teaching you the value of each coin and the name of each coin, so that the next time you're at the store and you want to buy something, you are going to be a coin master. You can count out and give them the right amount of change on your own.
So the first coin that we're going to look at is the penny. And a penny is worth 1 cent. And the cent symbol is written here with a C and a line through it. So we're going to look at the front and back of our penny. The front of the penny has Abraham Lincoln. He was one of our presidents. It says, "In God we trust," and it has the word liberty and the date that the penny was made. So this penny was made in 2014. And all pennies are this copper color, so you can always tell a penny apart from other ones or other coins because it's a copper color and it has Abraham Lincoln on the front. Now the back of a penny can look more than one way. In this example, it says United States of America, and then it has a seal that says E pluribus unum, which means out of many one, which is one of the mottos of the United States, and it says 1 cent. But the back of this penny here has the Lincoln Memorial on it, and it also says the United States of America in 1 cent, but it has a different symbol or picture on the back. Now to count a penny, I count by ones. So I'm going to grab a group of pennies and I count by ones. So I have, and let me move so that you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cents because I counted by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6 cents. So I count my pennies by ones. The next coin that we're going to look at is the nickel, and it is worth 5 cents. And remember, the cent sign is written with a C and a line through it. The front of a nickel has Thomas Jefferson on it. He was one of our presidents. It also says "In God We Trust," and it has the date that the coin was made. Now, the face of this coin can look two different ways. Thomas Jefferson can look like this, or in this coin, his hair is pulled back into it looks like a ponytail. Now, the back of the nickel says E pluribus unum, which we remember says out of many one, which is a motto of the United States. It says United States of America 5 cents, and it has a picture of Monticello on the back, which is where Thomas Jefferson lived. Now to count a nickel, I skip count by 5. So we're going to practice that here. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents, and I can write that as well. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I have 25 cents worth of nickels because I add 5 each time. I skip count by 5. When we are counting coins, it's important to remember that 1 nickel, which is worth 5 cents, is equal to 5 pennies because we count pennies by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to make 5 cents, I can either have 1 nickel or 5 pennies. They represent the same value. Coin is the dime. It's worth 10 cents. On the front of the coin, you're going to see the date that it was issued, 2005 for this coin, and our 4-term president, Franklin Delano Roosevelt. And on the back of the dime, it says United States of America. It has our United States motto. And on the left, we have an olive branch that stands for peace. In the middle, we have a torch that stands for liberty. And on the right, we have an oak branch which stands for strength and independence. And I count my dimes by 10, so we're going to practice. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I could count those and I can write the amount. So I can say 10, oops, there goes my marker cap, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 of these dimes equal 50 cents because I'm adding 10 or skip counting by 10 each time. When we count coins, we want to remember that a dime is worth 10 cents. So 1 dime is equal to 2 nickels, 5, 10 cents. And 1 dime is the same as 10 pennies, 10 cents. So to make 10 cents, I can use 1 dime or 2 nickels or 10 pennies. Our last coin for today is the quarter. It's worth 25 cents. On the front of the quarter, we again see United States of America, In God We Trust, Liberty, and it says quarter, $1. And the person on the quarter is George Washington. He was our very first president. On the back of the quarter, again, it has E pluribus unum, which means out of many one. And it has the bald eagle, which is the national bird of the United States that stands for strength and independence. We count quarters by skip counting by 25. So I have 25, 50, 75, $1. So I have 25, 50, 75, 100, which means $1. So when I skip count with quarters, I skip count by 25s. So remember, today we learned the quarter worth 25 cents, the nickel worth 5 cents, the penny worth 1 cent, and the dime worth 10 cents. Remember, the penny is the only one that's a copper color, the rest are silver. The quarter is the largest coin, the nickel is next, then the penny, and the smallest coin is the dime.